How to use cascading items in IQ Retail. Before we begin, please ensure that cascading items are enabled. Ask your local support technician to assist you in enabling this setting. Let's begin. Go to Stock, Maintenance, and click on the stock item that would be part of the reporting process. In my case, it would be the Fanta 6-pack as well as Fanta Single. Note that the stock item you have selected will be the child. Double click on the stock item or simply highlight it and press enter. Once you have done that, it will open the stock amendments window. Under the item storage section, right over here, you can enter the pack size as well as the description. Note that entering the pack size and description is not a requirement, but rather an encouragement to ensure better use of the IQ Retail system. Next to pack size, I will be entering the amount of 6 as this is a 6-pack. Also remember that the pack size is not the number of units, but rather how many units there are within a single sales item. On to description, I will just be stating that it is indeed a 6-pack. After you have done that, go to the item status settings section where the magic happens. And this you will find located at the bottom right of the window, right over there. Enter the stock code next to the report to item block right over there, to which this current stock item will report to. In my case, this would be the single Fanta bottles. After you have entered the stock code, enter the conversion rate underneath that. This part is crucial to calculate correctly to ensure that the stock item reports to the correct one. To work out the conversion rate, simply take the from amount and divide that by the to amount. This means that my conversion rate will end up being 6, as 6 divided by 1 equals 6. Then I am going to just accept. Now go to the next stock item, to which the previous one will report to, and do the same thing. Once again, under the item storage section, you can enter the pack size. I'm just going to enter 1 over there, and by the description, I am going to say single. Under the item status settings section, you can see that I have not linked a stock item to report to, as this is the reporting stock item. And there you have it. That is how you use cascading items in IQ Retail.